In addition, the kit contains more than 20 creative tutorials from the simplest to the most advanced, which gradually help users familiarize themselves with sensors, exercise logical thinking, and inspire creativity. The portable suitcase is compact and easy to carry, suitable for learning anytime, anywhere. 20 programmable full-color atmosphere lights and built-in mini-games allow seamless switching between learning and entertainment. The Elecrow All-in-One Starter Kit for Pico 2 is a perfect starter kit designed for beginners to start the learning journey of Pico 2, RP2350, in a fun and simple way. The kit integrates 17 sensors with different functions on a single board and is equipped with a 2.4-inch TFT full-color touchscreen. It does not require soldering or wiring and is ready to use out of the box and quick to start.
Find the real me. So let's go, seize the feeling. 'Cause you know, it's time for the meaning. Now we show.